a plate. Plate is 30 rand.
How much?
A plate of food is 30 rand. One for him, one for me, one for me.
The plate of food is 30 rand.
30 rand, sir, man.
So you say you didn't eat.
Now we didn't eat, sir, man.
And you
That's
also
why
didn't eat.
We wait for people to give us food and you always respect that peace. Very much, Ali, man. Allah bless you, Buddha, man.
Yeah.
And give you many more blessings and mercy upon you.
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. So you're gonna buy food if I give you the money.
We go together, me and him. Me and him are brothers, and now he's the son, this one.
Yeah, I told you.
Oh, is that your father?
Yeah.
So you want 30 rand each?
Yeah, Alhamdulillah, Buddha. We can Allah. Inshallah, Buddha. Allah grant you many more blessings, bro.
All right. So I'm gonna give you take what you want there from them.
You take?
Yeah.
No. This one.
Yeah.
What you take?
Yeah.
All of us.
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.